In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a distortion transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, a new project is the best option. If you already have footage prepared, just open the project you want to continue working on. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. Since transitions are used to connect clips, you'll need at least 2 clips placed in your edit before you can apply one. After adding them, make sure the clips are positioned right next to each other with no gaps in between. This is important because a transition needs a clean connection point between the end of one clip and the beginning of the next. Once your clips are lined up correctly, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library, where CapCut organizes different effects you can use between clips. From the left panel, click the Distortion category. This section contains transitions designed to create a warped, energetic, or stylized visual shift from one clip to another. Take a moment to browse the available distortion transitions and look through the options until you find one that matches the style you want. Some distortion effects may feel more intense, while others are smoother and more subtle. So it helps to preview them with your project in mind. When you've chosen a distortion transition, select it. If that transition is not already installed, click the download icon and wait for the download to complete. This usually only takes a few moments, and once it's finished, the transition will be ready to use. Now apply the transition by clicking the plus button or by dragging the distortion transition directly between the 2 clips on the timeline. Give it a moment and wait for the transition to appear on the timeline. Once it's visible there, click on the transition itself so you can adjust its settings. If needed, adjust the transition duration. A shorter duration can make the effect feel quick and punchy, while a longer one can make the change between clips feel more dramatic or noticeable. Choose a timing that fits the pacing of your video. After that, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the playback carefully to make sure it flows smoothly and matches the style of your edit. Finally, confirm that the distortion transition has been successfully applied. And that's it. You've added a distortion transition in CapCut Desktop.